In the savannah, hierarchy is tested under dust and heat. A pride of lions approaches, coordinated, confident, prepared to challenge. But the elephant does not yield. It stands firm, towering above the dry earth. One slow step forward, and the lions feel the shift. Predators sense dominance long before the fight begins. Instinct hesitates. A second step, heavy, deliberate. Survival overrides ambition. The lions turn, not with the pride of hunters, but with the urgency